Today I'm going to show you how to use the new silicone mat to clean our brushes. In general, I do this after using my brush with very dark colors or when I want to leave them very clean before storing. The first thing I do is rinse the excess of paint in alcohol. I can grab the silicone mat from the pad on the back or stick it with the same pad next to the drain. Then I put a drop of mild detergent on the brush and I'm going to gently clean the brush on the hard textures first. Then I'll rinse with water and remove the detergent on the zigzag texture, repeating until it's very clean. When the brush is a white flat brush, I find it more comfortable to grab the mat from the back when cleaning. I rinse it well in alcohol and dry on kitchen paper, giving the brush its original shape. This method is also ideal for cleaning our mop brushes. I'm going to clean them the same way as the flat brushes, but I'm going to do it gently in a circular motion. I'll add a drop of my detergent, and on the hard texture area I will clean my mop in circular motion. I'll rinse well on the zigzag texture. For mop brushes, I always use gentle circular movements when rinsing in alcohol and drying on paper. I'm always going to let them dry standing. Every once in a while, I will dry them using the same type of circular motion on a piece of kitchen paper.